Hello everyone, Atma Namaste. Welcome to Soham Helios World. This is a general reading for Capricorns for the month of May 2021. This reading includes all the 4 weeks of May. And before starting with the reading, I would like to just say thank you to all the subscribers for so much love and support. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. So yeah, let's begin with the reading. So Capricorns, the card which has come out for you, the month energy is the Lovers card and it is in reverse. So I think something happening in your love life, something which is not too good, something that your people did not expect, something is creating distance between you and your partner, and you're not happy with that. The energies are such that it is creating distance. The first three cards are Six of Pentacles reverse, Three of Swords, and Two of Cups. So I see here that you have given a lot to someone. It could be emotionally, financially. You have supported people. You have been a very generous person, especially when it comes to love. But you did not receive the same thing back. I see a third party situation here, and I think it is in your relationship. Some third person. If your relationship is going through some problems, the chances are there is a third party situation. It's either some third person in your partner's life or in your life, or maybe the situation is such, maybe they are giving more importance to some particular situation, or maybe it could also be one of the family members. But if it is a love situation, I see maybe it's a third person because of whom you people are not able to patch things up, because of whom you're having conflicts. There is distance between both of you. Before moving towards the other weeks, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel for the regular updates. The second week cards are Eight of Pentacles, Four of Swords reversed, and Ten of Wands. So I see you working very, very hard towards this relationship. You're not letting it go. You are working very hard. You're not getting the results. You're just working hard, not thinking about the results. You are trying your best. You want to give your best. You are exhausted mentally. You are emotionally exhausted, overburdened, lot of responsibilities. You're ready to do anything, but you just want things to be better in this relationship. And emotionally, you are not feeling good. Maybe physically also you're not feeling too good. You're feeling weak. You're feeling weak emotionally, physically, and you feel that you have to handle all these things on your own. You are alone. There's no one to take care of you. But that is because the relationship is not on its pace right now. The third week cards are Sun reversed, High Priestess, and King of Cups reversed. I again see things not happening in a positive direction in this particular week or sooner, because though things seem to be positive, this is a positive card. It will always remain a positive card, but because it is in reverse, so it might take time. Your happiness, whatever gives or makes you feel happy, it might take a little time. Maybe there are certain things that you're hiding. Maybe your emotions, what you are feeling, what you want to do. Maybe your person doesn't want you to share those things, so you're hiding it from them also, that how you feel, just because you don't want to hurt them or you want to continue talking to them. I don't know, but emotionally you are drained out. You are not able to think from your heart. You're not able to think from your mind. You seem to be very, very drained out because you really wanted this relationship to work, and right now there is a lot of gap and separation between you people. The fourth week cards are Four of Wands reversed, Two of Wands, and Ace of Swords. So I see here basically clarity. I see clarity, and it is very, very important for you, and it is basically related to this relationship. Things, I don't know, even if I don't see this relationship working, basically, I see separation. I see because even if you try to keep things intact, there is going to be sadness around. There is going to be conflicts. There are going to be fights around you, and it becomes very, very difficult for you to keep waiting for something positive to happen. You are in that waiting mode, and to make this relationship work, you will have to compromise a lot of things. But you're still in the waiting mode. You are not able to see how things are going to be in near future if things work out, and even if you go for it, you will have to sacrifice a lot of things in your life. So when this clarity comes, my only suggestion is, when this clarity comes, take a wise decision. That's about it, Capricorns. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box, and for the daily and personalized reading, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. That's about